Hi there, Stephanie, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Just going to show you how to use our dishwashing products. So we have the Ultrazyme dishwashing powder. So I have hard water and I still only use half of this little scoop. So I just put the scoop in. And we also have rinse aid, which is like the jet dry, and I just put that in whenever it needs it, and that is all. I find it doesn't leave any of those it doesn't leave any rings in the cups like my old dishwashing powder used to. So that is the Ultrazyme dishwashing powder and the rinse aid.